Hello guys, so for today's video, I'm going to show you how to update your graphics driver in Windows 11 and Windows 10. Why updating your graphic driver matters. If your games are lagging, your apps keeps crashing, or your screen is acting weird, an outdated graphic driver is usually the reason. So keeping your driver updated is one of the easiest ways to boost performance, fix bugs, and keep your PC running smoothly. So the first method that we can do is go to your PC settings, go to Windows Update, check for any updates, and install any updates that appear, including the optional driver updates. Windows will automatically download and install supported graphic drivers whenever available. Another method is looking through your device manager, which works on all Windows devices. On your keyboard, press the Windows button and the X key. Click the Device Manager. So inside the Device Manager, look for your graphics card. If you have NVIDIA, AMD, Intel, or etc., right-click on it. Then click Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for driver. Windows will scan for the best available driver and install it if an update exists. The third method is going through the manufacturer's website. Windows updates sometimes miss the newest performance-boosting drivers. For the most accurate and latest versions, download directly from the manufacturer. For example, you have the NVIDIA, go to nvidia.com and check for driver updates. If you have AMD, go to amd.com, check the driver updates as well, and if you have Intel, check for driver updates on here. Once downloaded, simply run the installer and follow the on-screen instructions. Final tips: always restart your PC after installing drivers, and if a new driver causes issues, you can roll back using the device manager. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon for more tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.